Hello guys, this is Haris Sani. So from a few days, I have been scrolling LinkedIn and I got to know a new topic which is trending is ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? Let's explore it together. So I'm going to share my screen and open a web browser and I will just write ChatGPT. So you can read the introduction that ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November. So it's an artificial intelligence chatbot. Let's explore it. So we have to try ChatGPT. So it's prompting me to create an account or log into account. So I don't have any account. I will just sign up. I have to enter my email address, but I will continue with my Google account. So I will choose my account, which is already logged in this browser. Okay, so it's asking for my name. I will just enter my name. Oh, I have to enter my number for the code. So I will just enter my number. So they said they have sent the code on my phone. Let's check it. Yeah, I've got the code. Okay, so I have created an account on ChatGPT. So it's giving a few examples. How can I use? So this is the free research preview. Okay. So I will just skip this part because we usually skip these tutorials. So I will just ask a few random questions. For example, hi, hello, how can I help you today? So I'm gonna start with one of the random questions. Yeah, it's answering very good. Being a project manager can be rewarding as a career choice as it allows you to. So it's giving me a very extensive answer and I was not expecting this much detail. Yeah, but it's still good. And the flaw I noticed, I have asked a question and it's writing and writing. I cannot ask another question. Okay, so it's up. So as you can see, it is very detailed answer. It's a chatbot, so it will reply according to the chat. It will behave like a actual human. You are talking to an actual human. So I will ask another. I will ask how I want to work at Google. Yeah, I noticed another flow. It's giving me the introduction. For example, if I already know what is Google and I just want to work at Google, so it's giving me the description first, and it's also giving me how can I work for Google, prepare for an interview, build your skills, network. Yeah, it's very extensive. Okay, so that's the flow. I cannot. And if I ask another random question, okay. Yeah, it's giving me a very detailed answer, and I was not expecting this much detail for just a simple question. So yeah, it still needs a lot of improvement. So let us try something professional. I will just open my Upwork, and I'm doing this very random. So I'm logged into Upwork and I will just try something different. So for example, I'm seeing the jobs in here. Okay, so we will just look into this task. So a person is looking for a coding expert to fix a small issue with code in a checkout page. It's a custom script. Yeah, let's see. So if I just copy the description and paste it here, let's see what it answers. I'm sorry, but I'm an artificial intelligence and do not have the ability to write or troubleshoot code. Okay. So let us see something different. And I will try a different out of the box thing. So the task is to create a script for GMeter simulator user login. So I will just write, I have to create a script for GMeter simulator. And let's see what it answers. To create a GMeter, simulate user login and perform a load test. Install JMeter if you haven't already. Download and install JMeter on your computer. Yeah, it's very giving a very perfect answer because it's the actual thing. So yeah, it is useful if you write some actual things, not copy pasting from any other resources. Yeah, it is very detailed. Okay, try something different. So I need a JavaScript developer that can build a bathroom configurator using Play Canvas API for JavaScript. That's something out of the box. To create a JavaScript application that can build a bathroom configurator using set up your development environment, install a text editor. Yeah, it's very accurate and it's something that very amazed me. And I will just ask something new. I hope you get to know what is ChatGPT and how you can play with it and how you can utilize it in your daily work and must use this because I'm a software engineer. So I've just used too much technical terms. You can use something different. For example, you're a communicator, you can use it for communication. For example, if you want to communicate with a client, you can use it. So ChatGPT, what I found out, ChatGPT is a very useful software. If you're experiencing any issue, then do let us know. Thank you.